Give me a run for my money. There was nobody, no one that would run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely. Just lovely. I wanna be with you. Ay, I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Ay, I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Me, just love me. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind.
Hey y'all, it's Kay and welcome back to another video. If you are new to my channel, I'm trying to revamp it to be more of what I want. I do a lot of family content, mom content, thrifting, DIY projects, crafts, home projects. Be sure to follow and subscribe. I would love for us to be friends, you know. Hey friends. In the last clip, you probably seen this room looking a mess, and so we've been slowly but surely getting it together. Yes, but back to the point of this video. I am redoing our daughter's room. I have two little girls and they share a room, and we're moving them to the bigger room in our house. It's been a long but definitely needed journey to get this room together. As you can see, we did paint the room, did paint this wall like a tealish bluish color. I'm gonna be like a little gallery wall and doing like the boho maximalist kind of look. We painted this wall and then we touched up some spots on the other walls, but we used the wrong paint. Now I have to go back over those spots again, and I still need to clean all of the boxes and stuff I have on the other half of this room. I need to get those to the garage. So that's what I'm trying to accomplish today. And then hopefully by the end of the week, we'll be completely finished with like moving them from one room to another. And then probably adding little decorations and touches later on as we go. That is the rundown of what we're doing in today's video. So continue watching if you are interested and want to see how our daughter's room turns out.
Young and fine and dark and handsome, the boy from South Detroit came singing. I can't keep my panties from dropping. It's so fly, fly. Moving so fast to hurt yourself.
Okay, hey y'all, welcome back to another day. Just know this is our third time, count it, 1, 2, 3, third time painting the walls because we've been using the wrong paint this whole time. So I just wanted to briefly come in to update y'all that we are back again for another day of painting. Pray for us.
From a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better today than cash today. Ooh, I just take it day by day.
It's Saturday morning and I've already started working on things. I got their little montage of their name like / gallery wall done. I just need to clear the rest of this stuff out so we can hang the rest of the stuff up, get their beds in here, get their headboards up, get these curtains back up, and then we'll be done. It still sounds like so much more to do, but we're making progress. Painting is done. Let me do, I'll give y'all a full glimpse of the painting that we had to redo. So just to recap, we started off just painting the wall the teal color, but then we had to go back and like touch up paint on the edges. We ended up painting the touch up points the wrong color, so 3 times, and the third time it was the right color but it wasn't matching, so we ended up having to just paint the rest of the walls the color of the touch up paint. So yeah, so the whole room got painted. Now it wasn't that bad painting the whole room, but that just was not on my mind to paint the entire room, even though the entire room needed to be painted, and it definitely makes a difference. It just wasn't in the plan. But plans change, and that's okay. We're gonna pivot and we're gonna make this really cute, so I'm excited. I think next I want to go ahead and get their beds in here, and then I can bring the vanity in here, and then we'll put their rug down, and then I can kind of like throughout the day just put like the rest of their little decorations and stuff up. And their TV needs to go back up, so I think we're gonna go ahead and do like the heavy lifting part of it, and then we can decorate with the little bitty things later. We got a lot on the agenda today. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning, at least. It's probably a little after 7 now, but I started this at 6 a.m. So, because I got to get things done. We got stuff to do. Got to get it done. So, yeah, I just wanted to do just a little quick recap for y'all. And let's get to work. So, these are their headboards. This is by the Nestle brand. I'm assuming that's how you pronounce it. But they are pretty much, they attach to the wall, so there's like no legs on it or anything. And I got it off the TikTok shop. Hold on, let's flip it over. So pretty much you just peel it and stick it on the wall. I don't know if this is gonna be a great idea or a bad idea, if they gonna knock this off the wall or what, but they were affordable. I want to say for both of them, I think I paid less than $50. So, yeah. We're about to get these up, and then, or maybe we need to get their bed in here first and then put this up. I don't know. We're going to figure it out. Okay. We got their beds in. This is the headboard. Now we're about to put their rug down. Rug is from Amazon. I got this rug for $30, I want to say, and it was on sale. I'm gonna link the rug below if y'all interested in it. So yeah, let's get the rug down, and then we're gonna bring their vanity in and hang their mirror up, and then the rest will just be like getting their bed made up and doing some more little decorations. Oh, and I didn't show y'all the walls that we had to repaint, so they look really good actually. So I can't really complain too much because the room definitely needed a new coat of paint. A rug this size don't normally. Okay, here's the details of the rug, and it's so soft, y'all. It's like velvety soft. They are gonna love this because I love it. Somebody loves it. You love it?
You sure?
Yes, perfect. They can't even see you. Now say hey. Say hi. Okay, y'all look crooked, but we're just gonna go with it. Y'all seen us hang their mirror, get their vanity in here, and now I want to put these LED lights around their mirror. I got these off Amazon, of course, and I'm gonna link everything that I did purchase for the room in the description box, so if y'all are interested. So these are like the LED neon lights, and they should just stick to the wall, I'm assuming. I think these little things stick to the wall and you stick the thing in it. We're gonna figure this out. So the lights are nice. They feel nice quality, you know, they don't feel flimsy or nothing. But the part you use to stick on the wall is not sticking to the wall for me. Like it's like a sticky back, you just push it on the wall and they will not stay. I don't know why. So I'm probably gonna have to figure out something else. I don't know. Let me take a break. Let me go get me some water, some breakfast, because I haven't had breakfast yet. And I'll come back. Okay, I'm back. I had some breakfast, got me some coffee, so I'm ready to finish this on up. I came back to say, it's me. I didn't realize that this is not supposed to stick on the wall. You're supposed to screw it into the wall. I'm not doing that, so I'm about to figure out another way that I can get this up here. Because I'm not putting no more holes in the wall if I can help it. Because that stuff, that's up with some thumbtacks. These headboards, they just stick to the wall. So I'm really trying not to put no more holes in the wall because I got to think about the resale value. You know, I don't want to have to fill a bunch of holes when it's time for us to go, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I don't know if a thumbtack will fit in this little slot though. Thumbtack is not gonna work. So I need some type of sticky something to stick it to the wall. So that's probably gonna have to be a task for a different day. Nobody tells you how long and tedious doing DIY projects and renovating your home or redecorating your home really takes. It's just like, it takes so much. And I thought this was gonna be a quick little, you know, thing, and it has not been. But I'm enjoying the process. It's just I didn't get my mindset wasn't prepped for the long redos and the uh-ohs and figuring out other ways to do things and all of that stuff. So, but now that it is, I'm definitely ready to continue taking on projects. So I'm gonna leave them lights alone for now, and then I'm gonna hang up the rest of their decorations, and that's pretty much gonna be it for this particular time, because I want to get them some more little decorations. We'll probably have to go, I want to try to go to like Five Below and like find them stuff for their vanity. And so yeah, so this is, you'll see the ending of what this looks like as of now, and then as we continue to do vlogs and stuff, I'll just kind of show you like any updates that we make to the room as we go. So let's get the rest of the decorations done, come back to the LED lights, and we'll go from there.
This one I bet you will be. Me, I no get time. da. Dada cover my face, calling me da. Biggie man, we do da. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depends. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depends. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, they try to do I'm
Okay, y'all, thank you if you made it this far for watching. I am going to link everything that I can below if you're interested. Definitely subscribe because we got a lot of more projects coming up. We got to do baby boy's room and we got to do the rest of this house. So definitely subscribe for all of the house update. I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye.